Click on the link below to get price. The Janome CoverPro 2000CPX Coverstitch machine stands out in the realm of sewing equipment for those interested in sewing and garment construction. Designed primarily for cover stitching, this machine offers a combination of performance and versatility that appeals to both hobbyists and more experienced sewists alike. At first glance, the Janome CoverPro 2000CPX showcases a sturdy build, which is typical of Janome's commitment to quality. It has a sleek design and is compact enough to fit comfortably on a sewing table without taking up excessive space. The machine's weight is manageable, making it relatively easy to transport if necessary. One of the notable features of the CoverPro 2000CPX is its ability to handle a variety of fabric types. Whether you are working with lightweight knits or heavier materials, this machine is designed to produce professional quality stitches. The adjustable presser foot pressure allows for customization based on the fabric, which can be especially helpful when transitioning between different textiles. The 2000CPX features a free arm, which enables sewing on circular or tubular items, such as sleeves and cuffs, with greater ease. Additionally, it offers a wide range of stitch options, including a 3-thread and a 4-thread cover stitch, allowing for flexibility in finishing hems and seams. The machine also includes a differential feed mechanism, which helps in controlling fabric stretching or puckering, particularly useful when working with knits. Setting up the Janome CoverPro 2000CPX is a straightforward process, with color-coded threading guides that make it accessible even for those who may not be seasoned users. The machine also comes with a comprehensive manual, providing guidance on various functions and stitch options. As with any sewing machine, taking the time to familiarize oneself with the features and settings will contribute to a more enjoyable sewing experience. In conclusion, the Janome CoverPro 2000CPX Coverstitch machine is an efficient tool for anyone seeking to enhance their sewing projects. With its robust features and reliable performance, this machine can serve as a valuable addition to a sewing enthusiast's toolkit. Whether you are embarking on garment construction or simply looking to expand your sewing capabilities, the CoverPro 2000CPX offers the functionality and ease of use that can help elevate your creations.